kind of lost motivation, to be honest with you. Going gym isn't something I really enjoy. I do it because I need to.
Yeah.
I'm not like I wake up, oh yeah, I'm gassed to go gym. Whereas others are like, oh yeah, I can't wait to go gym today. I can't wait to do this session. For me, it's more like a chore.
No, but like, why do you see it as a chore though? Like, why do you see it as a thing you need to do?
Because obviously, like, I want to live my best life, and obviously, I feel like, because in my career, my goal is football coaching. So like, I feel like in my industry, they wouldn't really pick like big guys or like unfit guys. So I feel like for me is I need to like become fitter and stuff. And it's not even just that though. It's like,
why? Because I feel like when me and you have like conversations, you always say like, oh yeah, when I lose weight, I can do that. When I lose weight, I feel better. Like, do you not feel calm now? Like, do you not feel like you can do things now? Because you always say like, oh, when I lose weight, I'll do this, I'll do that. Why can't you do that like now?
Because it's like.
Because I know. No, I understand like losing weight is like, it's a good thing. But if you see it as like a chore, like then, what's the point in like doing it? Because I know it's healthy to do it, but like to be healthy, you can go for a walk. You can eat healthy. But you don't have to go gym and like push yourself like you're a boxer or like you're AJ or Cristiano Ronaldo.
But you know what it is? Like,
what?
It's like, obviously, like, I know that I'm a big guy now and I want to lose weight, but the thing that scares me is like, I don't know if you know, but like, you know saggy skin?
Yeah.
It's like, when big people lose weight, they get like this saggy skin.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
And like, for me, like, I feel like even if I lose the weight, and all that, I'm still not going to feel confident if I take my t-shirt off. So, although how much I want to lose the weight, I feel like I'm still not going to look like, okay, yeah, I'm going to look at my face and that, but like, when I go on a holiday and I take my t-shirt off, like when we go on a lad's holiday, whenever that is because of the lockdown and all that, it's like, I still won't feel comfortable taking my shirt off. So that's part of the reason. I know that's like, people might think that's like, oh, that's such a bullshit excuse, but like, that's how I feel. And I feel like you can get operations with that, but I'm type of the person, like, going to hospitals and getting operations, like, I'm only ever going to do that if I actually need to, if it's like a life or death situation.
Yeah. Well, you know what, when it was like the first ever lockdown, back in March in the UK, like the first ever lockdown, I was thinking like, obviously I'm looking like a stick.
Yeah.
I wanna actually like get hench.
Yeah.
Because I'm thinking like, oh yeah, I can get bare girls. So like, I'll be looking hench, I'll be looking peng.
Yeah.
And like I'm seeing like some of our mates going gym and they're like getting hench. But then now I've started to think recently, like, I'm kind of like seeing it like the same thing as you. I'm seeing it as a chore.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm starting to think like I know some people are like, oh yeah, carry on. I know like it's hard work, but just carry on. But I'm like, I don't really enjoy it. I don't see it. Like, is me like getting hench and putting on weight and like growing muscles. Like, is it just from? Is it because it's making me happy, or is it just to like look peng like for other people and look good for other people? And then I can't like I fully like thought it to myself. I was thinking like I don't really enjoy like lifting weights. Like I know if I spoke to one of my other mates and they'd be like, no, like work hard, gain muscles, grow muscles, do all this and that. But I was thinking like, I can't lie, I don't really care about that. Like, I know people be like, oh no, but you'll look so much better, like you'll look hench. But I'm just like, I don't really care. And like people who are like as skinny as a twig, and like they can't be asked to exercise. Obviously exercising is good, but I think there's like exercising, like you can go for a walk and all that, but like lifting weights, I feel like when I think to myself like, I don't really care about gaining weight. Like I don't wake up and think like, oh yeah, I need to lift weights today. Like no, I'd rather just wake up and fucking play chess or chat to my mate. Like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I get what you mean, and
like it's not. Yeah, like I mean, like it's. Sorry to interrupt you.
Go on.
But I mean, like it's. I feel like when I was starting to lift weight during like the first lockdown, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get hench.
Yeah.
I feel like I was doing it for other people, just like make other people like look at me and go like, yeah, that guy's hench. But like for myself, like, because if you think it's all about yourself, like how you feel.
Yeah.
I was thinking for myself, like I know I'm I know I'm like really skinny.
But like the question is,
I don't care.
Like, but the question is like, are you comfortable in how you look? Like, are you like happy as like how you look?
I say I am like this is how I am. This is how I was born. Like, I don't care. Like, I don't really feel the need to fully put the effort in gym, because if it's someone's hobby, like some people get a hobby out of it. They gain a hobby out of like lifting weights and they enjoy it. Because I was fully lifting weights, I didn't really enjoy it. I'm thinking like, oh, I know it'll make me look sick. I'll look like fucking incredible. I'll look mad.
But you didn't enjoy it.
Yeah, I didn't really enjoy it. So I was just like, oh, you know what? Like, I'll stay how I am. I know I'm best getting like girls would be like, no, I prefer a hench guy.
Yeah, but I feel like you know why a lot of that is. I feel like a lot of us look at like social media and stuff like Instagram, and we feel like there's a certain kind of guy that we need to look like. Like we all feel like we need to look like AJ or like
Jack Fowler.
Or someone like that. But I feel like
young.
I feel like Instagram is just like for people our age especially. I feel like it's a bad place to go, because I feel like we look at it. We look at all these like guys that are like hench, that are like good looking and stuff, and we feel like, oh bro, like why do I look like this? And then we feel like we need to like go gym, bang out gym. And like for your case, like it's calm, like you're skinny, like obviously like if it matters to you, then it matters. But like I look at you and I'm like, this guy like he doesn't really need to worry about going gym. But for me, like, as you said, like you like the way you look, like you feel like that's you, like that's good. But for me, like I look at myself and I feel like, oh, if I wasn't fat or if I wasn't like big, I'd look like peng. But I feel like at this stage, like in my life, when I'm seeing other people like moving to girls which is our age, and like it's not even girls, it's just like I look at the mirror and I'm, oh, why do I have to look like this? Because that's just how I feel sometimes. Like, okay, I got my trim recently. I thought, oh, yeah, I'm looking good. But like other than that, it's just like, it's like I look at all my friends. I'm not jealous. Like, I'm happy for them how they are.
Yeah, I know.
But like, I look at my friend and like, oh yeah, they're doing bits. Like they're doing this. Like they're going parties and all that.
To listen to the full podcast where me and my mate just get way too high and way too drunk, having conversations so deep and random we feel we just have to share, the link is in the description. Go check that out right now. If you like being nosy and listening in to our conversations about interesting theories, funny memories or random controversial topics, come chill with us, man. Spark your zoo, drink your pint and subscribe.